Alright, we just got to Vienna, starving hungry, so we're jumping on the local underground, and see where it takes us. Hopefully get a train somewhere, get something to eat. Let's do it. We've made it onto the tube. We don't know where we're going because it's all in Austrian, so see where it takes us. Right, so we've got off at Stratus something or other, and I think we found our first Christmas market and food. Let's go and get something to eat. Oh, so many food stalls here, don't know what to eat. Might have some Schweizer raclette. Right, this is what we're looking for, gluhwein. Right, here we go, so we've got our first gluhwein. And there's €10 back on the mug, or you can keep them. And apple something or other for the missus. Oh, it smells like apple pie.
Oh, does it?
So it's our first Christmas market. We just got here lunchtime today, and we asked the hotel where the nearest Christmas market was, and she said, well, it's not very big, but it's 3 or 4 stops down on the tube, which we just did. This place is huge. It's absolutely huge.
Risen Ran Plat.
What?
Risen Ran Plat. That's where we are.
We're at Risen Ran Plat, something like that anyway. Yeah, so stay with us and show you the rest of it. Right, I'm looking for a Wiener Schnitzel stall with some strudel, but I can't find one. Hot dogs there. That's waffles. That's not food at all. This place is pretty crazy. Madame Two Swords over there. Right, so I've settled for what I think is a hot dog. I'm going to go with this. Yeah. That's for me. Hello! What's the best, biggest thing you do?
Curry dog, or spicy or not spicy?
Yeah, special, yeah.
Spicy. Are you like spicy?
What's spicy?
Spicy hot dog.
No, not spicy, not spicy, no.
Curry dog you have with curry sauce.
Curry dog with curry sauce, so that's
Or
what we're going for.
dog.
Yes, please. A big one of them then. Right, so we're going for a curly dog with everything. That's supposed to be the best thing here. Let's do it. The missus is getting a fried bread thing. Right, here we go. So we're going for the best thing they do. This is a curly dog. Cost $8.50 thing. It looks alright. See what it eats like. Break that bread off. Yeah, that's good. The wife's getting one of these potato things, so see what that looks like. We're going for langos. And this is a langos. It's like a big flat pizza-shaped donut. This one's got apple foam and cinnamon, so it's like strudel. See what it tastes like. And the wife has got, what's that, babe?
Garlic, sour cream, cheese and ham.
Garlic, sour cream, cheese and ham on like a donut base. Does it taste good?
It's lovely.
There you go, that's what we're eating. This is langos, that's not how you pronounce it, but recommend this one. Yeah. Right, so we found the Viennese equivalent to the London Eye, I suppose. Right, well, everybody else is dressed in coats, scarves and everything here. I've just had to take my jumper off, it's too hot. Well, apparently this is a historic Ferris wheel invented by Albert Ferris wheel. I don't know. That's what the screen said.
You ain't going nowhere.
It's the world's oldest Ferris wheel, apparently. Right, so we've just finished this Christmas market. We've met this lovely chap there who's looked after us. That's his stall. We've had mind-blowing gluhwein here. I'm absolutely shit-faced. That's the end for today. Here's my friend.
And this is my friend here. Come on, little minion.
This guy's got to be about 7 foot, but he's looking after
I'm
me,
7'3", my friend. 7'3",
7'3",
okay? Come on, little minion.
7'3". Yeah, he's
my
looking after me.
shorty.
We'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. This is day 1, and we got another 3 days of this to go.
Day 2 follow tomorrow, believe me. Follow day 2.
Right, just to let you know, this market is Riesenrad, and I've had on good authority that's the correct way to pronounce it. This is Riesenrad Christmas Market. This is day 1. We'll see you on day 2 tomorrow when we're going to Stratosphere. We'll go with that. See you tomorrow.